Timekeepers in Clayton. We are a family-owned business for over 40 years. We are going into our third generation of watchmakers, and we repair all kinds of watches from the most complicated to the most simple, vintage to modern. We have been doing this for over 40 years. We source parts from different places all over the country. If there are parts that we cannot find, we can certainly make them. We specialize in vintage watches. We're members of the IWJG and NAWCC. Our third generation of watchmakers are Swiss trained. There have been many times where people have brought their watches different places and have not been very successful. We are able to bring their watch back to life and have their watch working and functional and back in the family. Our customers are like family. Being that this is the third generation coming in, we feel as if we have grown with our customers, and we have seen many generations progress and get older and get married and have children of their own, and we feel like their watches and their jewelry are ours also, so we treat everything like family.